everyone able to see right my screen?
Yes, good.
Yeah, good.
Right. Okay. See, just I have explained for the brief for that what we discussed for that till now. Okay. See, we have a very important is the master data. Okay. Almost we have a covered the master data. So one is a pending is quality info record. Today we have a time. Then I can show you that where it is coming the quality info record will be impacted. Okay, till now we are cover for this MIC's creation and sampling procedure, codes, code groups, and inspection method, inspection plan, and in the inspection, the quality management view, how to assign the inspection type. This all we covered till now. Okay, this is a master data we covered. Now, yesterday I showed you how to assign that inspection plan creation. This is a pending material specification. I can explain further coming classes. And you know how to assign that characteristics in the inspection plan and how to create the task list also I showed you. Okay, task list 1, 2, 3 we have available now. That in the inspection plan it is coming. Now this also you understanding inspection lot processing, lot creation. You know I showed you one process is a 89 that inspection lot is creation and how to the results recording okay, I showed you so many inspection lot for 89 and this is a pending defect recording. Coming class I can explain for this how we can create a defect recording on that. Okay, this usage decision also I showed you for understanding the purpose. Okay, now this is a pending. Today I will show you for how to create the stock posting the process. Okay, now today we'll go for this procurement process with QM. This all will be covered today again. Inspection lot will be created and results recording and usage decision stock posting. This four I will be show you in the system and also how to be integrated with procurement and quality management. See, procurement is a material master. They will be take care of that. This is integration part we have a available in the quality side. So initially I had discussed with you. We have a some inspection integration is there. One is like a quality management with the and PP, SD, EM, EWM like that. Okay, today we'll discuss for that integration model, how to be work in this the integration model in the quality side. Okay, this process I can explain today. See how it will be works in the system. I can show you. Before going this, I can show you that the PPT which I have created. Just understanding that we can go for system after that. See, today we have agenda for this QM in procurement.
Oh, Anna, okay, second. Record is going on, right, Anna? Recording?
Yes, it's going.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going, Sai. Don't worry. So, yeah, agenda is like a, we have a, today we'll discuss overview of the procurement and integration what, and QM at the goods received with the purchase order, and QM at goods received without purchase order, how to be created inspection link, and QM during the stock transfer the process, and control in procurement key, and quality info record. Here is came actually. See, this is a one kind of the master data. So that I am not a cover earlier. So I will cover today as the quality info record how to be created in that. The vendor releasing the process. And if you assign this quality info record, how to be release the vendor the process, I can tell you. And quality certificate during the procurement. This incoming inspections related the procure the quality certificate how we need to be assigned, that I will show you in that system. Okay, invoice blocking and QM system and source inspection. See, we have a three inspections process here cover actually. One is like a goods received with the purchase order, that is a 01 inspection type, and goods received without purchase order we have a 05 inspection is there, and source inspection is there 0101. Here actually in this procurement with integrated and QM we have a three inspections process is there. One is a 01 and one more is a 05. One more is like a 0101 inspection. This will be covered today and tomorrow, whatever that inspections process is available in the procurement side. Okay, see, now I can go in the system. I can show you for that how to be created that first step the with purchase order to creation the system. Before going the system, I can show you in that one slide and that flow chart. In the real time flow chart I can show you how it will be works in the system. Okay, See, this is a QM process flows I have created. In the real time also, we should be created like this only. Then we'll be understanding the business process. Okay. In the real time scenario I'm taking, I'm explaining for understanding. Okay. Now see, you can observe it. First step is a quality master data team. Means quality team will be involved here. This one I'm talking about. I'm taking the control. See, I'm talking about this one. This who will be take care of the QM team will be take care of. QM team, what they will be take care of the purchase material. One material I created in the starting QM testing 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a wheel and trim the purpose I created for that. That is a raw material. Okay. The raw material we need to use for this inspection. Okay. In the raw material always we can use the inspection is a 01. See this 01 we need to be considered for that. Okay. This inspection type 01 assign in material master in the QM view. The starting I have explained. For that material, we have assigned 89 and also 01 inspection type. That material is a raw material. That inspection type is a required. This is the first step. Okay, this is all master data I'm telling about. See next, assign control key and certificate type in material master in the quality management. This is the optional based on the requirement we need to be creating the control key and certification type. If assign that control key, quality info record is a required. This quality info record is a required. If you are not assigned control key in this material master QM view, I show you for that one also understanding. So the quality info record is a not a required. If you assign that, it will be required in this. This is a mandatory for that case. Okay, that also I will show you why we need to assign the quality info record. See, after this usage and the inspection plan we need to be assigned. You know, I show you in that the inspection plan creation usage is a goods receipt. You must and should be assigned the usage file. Then only the inspection lot creation at the time the inspection plan will be assigned automatically. If you are not assigned this usage is a file, then inspection lot will be created. But that inspection plan will be not assigned. If inspection plan is not assigned, then you will be not do the results regarding usage decision. It will be stop the process. So that the inspection plan you creation at the time for any raw material is a 01 inspection type. That 01 inspection type you must and should be assigned the usage is a 5. Then only that inspection lot we can perform the results regarding usage decision. This scenario also I will show you. One is a positive, one is a negative. If you assign that file, how it will be calculated that, how it will be do the results regarding, I can show you. If you not assign this, then how it will be create the inspection lot, what status will become the inspection lot, we can see that. Okay. Now this is a quality team will be take care of the responsibility. This is whole quality team will be responsibility in that master data, everything will be take care. After that, immediately this warehouse clerk peoples means WM people means MM people, material management team will be take care of this. It will be create a purchase order. With respect to that inspection type you are activated, that inspection type and what are the material, what are the plant, they will be take care of that. They will be create a inspection lot. Okay. That inspection lot here actually they will be create a purchase order. Once purchase order is created, then they will be do the post goods receipt for the purchase order. They will be create a purchase order. They will be do against to purchase order to that migo means goods receipt. These two steps will be take care of this MM team. MM team will be take care of that. See again inventory management is came here. That is also part of WM team. Like a MM and warehouse management team will be take care of. These people will be check that display material stock before quality the stock how much you are the producer for this purchase department. Suppose I wanted to be required is a 100 wheels required for this raw material. That 100 pieces I have added in this purchase creation at the time. 100 pieces it will be came into quality. That quality you need to be perform that actually results recording and usage decision. See now once it is a stock, it is came into quality, then quality technician. The quality technician will be involved here. This is a quality step. This under this one is a quality steps. Okay, quality technician will be involved here. that you will be check in that inspection lot in the report level. That inspection lot is created or not, for that purchase order they will be check it. And once that inspection lot came into quality, they will be checking the results is nothing but a, we are assigned that inspection plan here. Here assign the inspection plan, no? That inspection plan, whatever assign that characteristics, either qualitative or quantitative, you can perform the inspection results. That is called for this results recording. Okay. In the results recording, you can perform that inspection results like a which is you assign the characteristics in the inspection plan. Okay. Now once the results is been done, then you need to be inform this quality engineer. In the quality engineer means in this plant level, the quality engineer person will be there. They will be checking the system, how much stock is accepted, how much stock is available in the stock. Now 100 pieces I have told you, no, for this 100 pieces it is came into this unrestricted area, the in quality area. Once this quality person will be do the usage decision, either accepted either rejected. If you accepted, stock will be go to quality, quality to unrestricted area. If you rejected, stock will be go to block area. See here, if you accepted, stock is a useful, that is called unrestricted area. If you rejected the stock, it will be go to the block area. This stock, it is a not a good, it is a damage the product. We are not using this product, so we are blocking from the quality side. If you block the quality side, it will be stop the process from that real time. Again they will be check that why the quality team will be block this process, why it is a blocking for the stock. So they will be identify, they will be give the proper resolution for this case. So quality style, if you accepted, if you rejected, the criteria is over from the quality side. The next step will be take care of that. team will be, the persons will be taking up the responsibility the next step. Okay, now till now this is a process we have a use, actually the quality management say the process flow, how we will be working the understanding the business process. Okay, now we hope you understanding this or not. See, this is a steps I can show you in the system, how we can create it in this in the flow chart of this process. Okay, one minute, let me go for system, then I can show you the step by step the process. Now first step, what we need to go, first step I can go for here. The first step I can show you. The first step we can see. First steps. Okay, it is coming. Okay, now see the first step QM master data, right? That material inspection type is activated or not. We need to check that. Okay, let me go for MM02. I need to go. This is a change. I have a created earlier the starting one material, that is a QM testing 123. This is a raw material. How I am telling the raw material, I can show you in that also. Okay. See now this material, we can go here. See, you can observe it here. Somewhere it is a raw material. See here, ROH is there. ROH is like raw material. That is a material type. We are deciding this all raw material. We can consider the inspection type is a 01. Okay. Let me go for quality. I can go for quality management here. I can go for setup. That inspection type is activated or not. We need to check. See, 1 is activated and 89 is activated. 89 I showed you how to work in the 89 in the inspection lot. Okay, now you can check it. 01 inspection, 01 is nothing but a goods receipt inspection for the purchase order. This I am activated. See, this I am activated for this post inspection stock. If this activated stock will come to the quality. If you are not activated this button, it will be go to directly unrestricted area, then there is no use of to quality checks. Okay, that is what actually I'm activated for this. You can keep it this inspection plan automatically assign if you click on this button, and automatic assignment in this all master inspection plan, it will become like this. Okay, just keep it as it is for that, as for this settings and anything at all. I'm just saving. Now first step is clear. Inspection type is assigned for that material view and everything is fine. Now This step we can leave it now. I can tell you for this step and this step because of quality info record is interconnection between them. But also I will show you where it is coming. Here, see, I am giving for blank here. This control key and procurement key I am giving for blank here because of for this material I am not a setup in the quality info record. Okay, so that I am not a giving now. Now as of now, leave it for this. I can give you for that next scenario. Then will be idea get it for that. First I can create the process. Okay. Now I am not giving for quality info record. Okay. Now this material I'm assigned inspection type for that material. Now I can go for this inspection plan for this. Okay, for that material, same material I can go for the inspection plan. I'm showing for clear way. Please understanding the process. QP03 is the plan. I giving for testing QM testing 1 2 3. I giving for this plan. Now see, I have a created two. One is like a usage is a 5, one is a 3. 3 always give for this 89 because of I'm activated 89 inspection. So that I'm giving for 3. 3 is a inversion. 5 is a goods shift. I can go for this 5. Let go for inside in the group. Okay. Now see, I can go for header data. Now you can understanding for this. This I'm assigned the 5. The 5 is like a goods shift. So that it is a telling this process. The flowchart is a 5 goods shift assign in inspection plan. If assign this inspection plan is a 5, then inspection lot will be assigned automatically inspection plan. Otherwise, it will be not assigned. That also I will show you one scenario. Okay, how it will be creating that without inspection plan for that. See now, this inspection plan we have a two characteristics available. One is a length, one is a color. This length and color we need to do the results record. Okay, this results recording where it is coming here. In the results recording, we need to be performed. One is a length, one is a color we need to perform. Okay. Now I need to go for this create a purchase order and post receipt for that purchase order. How to be do that in the system. This in the real time again I'm telling to you. This will be take care of material management team. You are not a responsibility for this scenario. Okay. For this purchase order and purchase against to that PO will be created. Okay. Now let me go for that. I will be creating the purchase order for that. Okay. So master data, everything is set up. Okay, now I can go for purchase order creation. I can go completely in the back. I can go back. Now see, I am using this T code. ME21 is a create a purchase order. Okay, keep remember for this T code. This is a display in the purchase order creation the process. Okay, now see the data. It is a nothing is available. If existing any PO number you have, take a reference and give it here, it will be work. See how will be suppose I'm not going for the reference, I can create directly in the system. Okay, then I can go for reference. Now I am giving the material, which is a material QM testing 1 2 3 4 I created. Okay. Now this material I'm giving how much PO you wanted to quantity required. I wanted to required is a 10. 100 I can give it for that understanding. Okay. 100 pieces I wanted required for this material. This material, what is the description I giving? Wheel rim. That that raw material is a procured for this 100 pieces from that vendor. Okay. Let me adding for that. Now see, it's asking for enter the purchase arc. The initially I have explained organization structure. That organization structure, it will be involve FICO and SD and PP and MM. MM model it came here actually purchase arc. I explained purchase group and purchase arc and purchase group and company code. Under we have it defined the which storage location need to be required. Okay, now I am decided for this purchasing group. I can go for this same 1710. That is a plain plant and purchase arc is the same in the real time also we need to use. Okay. 001 is a group and I can give it for this company code. Let me go for instance. What is the company code is available? Let me check it. 1710 is available. Okay. Now see, this plant is a global bulk manufacturing they are using. Okay. This company code and purchase are giving and purchase group will be giving. This is all it will be take care of this. This completely T code will be take care of responsibility. No worry at all. But understanding process how to be create inspection and I can show you that. Okay. Now I'm entering. Now entering, it will be asked for this enter the supplier area. I'm adding a supplier. For this supplier, I'm giving. Okay, 1 minute. I can take a one supplier, proper supplier. Let me go for okay here. This is one supplier. Okay. This is same supplier I'm giving. Okay, keep it as it is for the supplier. I'm entering. Now see, enter. It is asking the plant. I'm giving the plant 1710 our plant. Okay. Now I'm entering that. Just it is asking. Can delivery date is met? Yes. I'm entering and entering for the details. Okay. Just I'm entering. I'm entering till if I have any warning message. See now I'm giving material and plan and how much quantity I'm giving 100 pieces 100 PO quantity I'm giving. Okay. Now I can go for inside. I can check it that quality inspection it is available or not. Okay. Let me go for inside. Where it is? Okay. Go for item details. In the item details, you can check it somewhere there is a inspection quality inspection is available. Let me go for inside. Where it is coming. Okay. Delivery here see the stocks type if must and should be quality inspection then only stock is came to quality otherwise it will be not into quality so it is always keep it in this quality this is a default will be setting because of we are active the inspection type in this material master so that the stock type will be automatically coming here if you are not active the inspection type it will be go directly under stick area. Okay, they will be decided the either they want it under stick area, they want it to be blocked for that one. Okay, now I'm as it is keep it for this quality inspection. This let it be now. Then I can show you for that. Okay, this you can create it mandatory wherever it is coming the fields. Now I'm checking for this. This is a check button. To check it. If you have any error message will be show. It will be show. It will be stop the process. This is all warning messages. Okay, just keep it ignore for this. No issue for that. It will be not to stop the process. Now check it. I'm saving it. Okay. Now I'm saving. Now see immediately one the standard PO created under this number. Okay. I can save this number somewhere. I will be understanding. Okay. Now I can go for here. See this step is clear. QM master data we are covered and inspection type we are assigned this material master and the QM master data we are checking. Now this second step I am talking about. This create a purchase order through ME21 and purchase order will be created. This is a purchase order will be created. Okay. Now this is a purchase order we created. Now what is the next step? Immediately I can go for the flow chart. Purchase order created. Then I can go for the post goods receipt for this purchase order. This is also will be take care of the warehouse clerk. Okay, you are not responsibility, but understanding the process, I can show you. Now, purchase order will be created 100 pieces in that from PO. Now, let me go for the T code MIGO. This is a MIGO is a MIGO. It is a telling about goods receipt the process. Okay. Let me go for inside goods receipt. You can select this multiple option is there available. You can keep it because of our doing the goods receipt and what I am doing against to for that is a purchase order. That purchase order I am against to the goods receipt. That purchase order which is I have just now created, I can copy from here. Just execute the button. Okay, if you execute the button, let's see. Now see, immediately from this wheel and rim for this QM material, we have a 100 pieces is a procured. They will be do the goods receipt. Once goods receipt, then the stock automatically come to quality because of we are a setup in the inspection type. That inspection type it will become the quality. Immediately will become the quality. That is a 101 movement we need to consider. 101 movements we have a movements are available That movements, each movements it will be tell the different stock types the process. Now we are concerned for this 101. It is a goods receipt the process. We need to use the movements 101. It is a stock type is a quality. Now keep it this. Now I am giving the which storage location this 100 pieces need to be required. In the real time, we have a multiple storage locations are available. I explained the organization structure at the time. Bangalore is a one location, Kolkata is a one location, Hyderabad is a one location, Mumbai is a one location. The each location we need to be define the storage locations correctly for that plant wise. Now we have a different storage locations are available. I can keep it for this 171 I can keep it that is a standard storage location, or you can decide it whatever you wanted a storage location. In the real time they will be defined for that which the storage location you wanted to be required. Now I have a decide the storage location here 171A. Okay. Now I'm just entering. I'm just enter. See if any error is getting, we can see. Okay, there is no errors. I can go for to check this. See, you have not flagged any item is okay. Okay, somewhere we need to be item okay need to be confirmed. Enter item is okay now. Now I can check it again. If I'm check it, it is asking for immediately one error message. This is error message is stopping the process. Please select the instant of this compliance with is the shipping instructions. Okay, let me go for where is the button. Shipping material quality where okay purchase order. Here shipping the point. This is a FICOT will be taken up, but I am giving for this one PTS. Okay, leave it. This is an important that. Okay, now let me go and check it again. If any error is getting, now see batch number is created automatically because of this material. I am activated the batch management. Here enter the enter the date of production date is asking. Okay, let me go for inside where it is coming. Uh, here here today date I am giving, today date I am manufacturing this product, today date I am giving. Okay, let it be now same today date. Okay, now see again I can check it. Now this is a warning message. This is a just for this batch for that material no class could be found. Okay, the class is a characteristics not defined, so that it will become okay anyway. Leave it, not a issue for that case. Now see the date of manufacturing is a today. When is expired for this shelf life expired date we are giving for this 15/4/2027 it will become. This is a batch management process is there. I can explain. One recurring inspection we have there 09. At the time I can explain. Okay, just keep the remember for this point. Okay, where it is coming I can show you further. Now everything is okay. I am checking again that we have any getting that error message. We can see there is no error message. Then I can continue. Then I can post it. Here one button is there, post button. If you click on this post button and before going keep it the screen, I can go for another screen. Okay, let me go for here MMBA. I can check it. This I'm talking about this display material stock before quality inspection. Okay, now I can check it for this stock overview. That stock overview T code is MMBE. That material and plant I'm using, which is a storage location 171A. I can give it. Okay, I'm executed now. Now see, here is a quality. The quality is a nothing is there. If quality is nothing, then quality department will be not to take any responsibility for this material because of already it's clear that unrestricted stock. Now I am creating stock is 100 pieces from quality side with respect to that PO. Let's see that vendor combination. Now I'm creating for this PO that against to goods receipt that 100 pieces came into this quality. Let keep it this screen. Okay, I can go for here. I can do the post in this goods receipt. Now the preparing inspection lot and one material document will be displayed in this immediately. I can go for this material. I can copy this material. This one material document is a posted. Okay, this material document I can keep it here. Now that material document is a posted here. Once posted the document, lot is created automatically in the system. See, let me go for inside. Let me go for inside. How to display in the same the PO. Go for this. goods receipt, and you can click on this material document. Then immediately that material document which is posted, just we can see in the display mode. Okay, then I can go for display. Then I can execute. Now see, I have a displayed for this material document. I can check inside. See, earlier in the quantity, we don't have one button is that inspection lot button. After once post goods receipt is happened, then inspection lot button is came here. Okay, now if you go for the inspection lot, then you can perform this 100 pieces to quality. Okay, now leave it for this. Now I can check in this MMBE, which is I showed you MMBE. The stock is coming quality or not, we need to check. Okay, just refresh here the button. See, 100 pieces is came into the quality for this batch. This storage location, this plant, company code. This is a plant. This batch under we have a 100 pieces thing. Now your responsibility is quality. Now we need to go for in this picture. Now see the post goods receipt is done. Then the stock is also it is came into quality. Then after that that inspection lot we need to check for that PO. It will be display or not. That how we need to check in the quality technician. We have a T code is there. I can show you in that case. Okay. Let me go for QA33 or 32. You can go. See, this is a report for the inspections lots. Okay. I'm giving today date only. Today date is like a 15th. I'm giving today only I created right. The today date I'm giving for that inspection lot. Which is inspection lot I created 01 inspection lot, and plant is a 1710 plant, and I giving for this material QM testing 1 2 3 4 I created. If you don't know this all things and all, you know only for the purchase number. If you go here, the purchase number you can click on it here, which is I created the purchase document. You can click on it here, double click on it. It will become the purchase document, which is I showed you, which is I save that purchase number. You can copy this purchase number. Okay, this purchase number you can copy. You can execute it here. Then then executed immediately will be pop up for that number. See, this one is the inspection lot is came into quality. That particular material. How many pieces we have a produce? That is 100 materials, 100 quantity we are producing for this material. Okay, now see. Now what is the next step? You are done the display inspection lot. Everything is okay. Now you need to perform the results recording for that inspection lot. That inspection lot, the inspection plan, we have assigned that length and color. You remember, right? The inspection plan I showed you in the starting. That inspection plan we are assigned for the two characteristics. One is a length, one is a color. Now, how to do the results? I can show you in that. Okay. Now click on this button, results button. If you go inside, see, one is a length, one is a color. Length I am giving for this, for example, I am giving for 17. I am accepted. Okay. Now, Maunik, you asked this question actually. See, now I am not done for this color. I am leave it for now color. Okay. Now I'm not done for any color. The status is over. Okay. Now I'm saving it. Okay. Now once this results were saved, you see earlier it is REL status is there. If you immediately refresh it, it will become in the INSP. It will become inspection characteristics is a specified. Okay. If I'm refresh it, you can observe it. INSP. It is a came. Earlier it is REL status is there. INSP is there. What is the status? I can show you in the system. Now go for inside. You can check the status, user status. See, REL is a release status. INSP is a inspection active, and PASE is a inspection specification is assigned, and CCD is a inspection characteristics is created, and CALC is a sample is calculated, RREC is a results confirmed, and SPRQ is a stock posting is required. In the interview prospectus also they will ask what is a SPRQ, what is a REL, what is a INSP. They will ask the questions. Okay, just keep remember for this. Okay, that is what I'm showing you. Okay, now status is a active, This is a INSP. INS is a inspection is active. Inspection is active. Now the characteristics we are done. The step is clear here. The results recording your step is clear. Now immediately this person will be informed to quality engineer. In the quality engineer will be take care of usage decision. In this usage decision, again I can go for QA32. The one button is there usage decision. Okay, here you can select that line. You can go for inside. See now this is a we can call stock posting. The initially I am discussing for this. Here the pending is a stock posting button. Stock posting the process. This is a usage decision. This is a stock posting. Okay. I can explain for this usage decision. So usage decision is nothing but a whenever stock is came into quality, you need to be perform the stock is good or not in the real time. How much stock I have produced for this PO? You remember, I have produced for this 100 pieces. That is what actually came into quality. This 100 pieces, that wheel or ring, we are considered for the 100 pieces. 100 wheels we need to require for the PO. That PO they will be created in this required quantity in the quality side in the 100 pieces. Now 100 pieces came into quality. Now 100 pieces they will be checked in this real time. No, that is a process. That is a way we need to use the sampling procedure. The sampling procedure they will be take some samples. Some samples will be take out of 100 quantity we have received. That 100 quantity you don't need to be checked. You need to check the randomly. That is the purpose we need to use the sampling procedure. Now 100 pieces came in the plant. You need to take only 5 samples. That 5 samples is are okay or not okay. You can be decided in the based on the sample size. That is the purpose using the sampling procedure. That is a we need to be making in the master data. Now I came into this usage decision. The usage decision you can check it here. We have a characteristics already done. One is that I am giving for 17. Another one is a not I am giving. That Monica is asking the question. I can clarify in that case. Okay. Now see, I am not giving for color. Anything I am not giving color. Let it be now. I can go for usage decision. How it will be asked. See, this usage decision codes. This usage decision code where it is coming. Yesterday I explained codes and code groups were created in the catalogs. That catalogs it will become. Okay. I will show you in that also. Go for US 43 in the display mode. We have a catalogs. Yesterday I explained for this catalogs. Yesterday I explained only that characteristic attribute. And see, this is a usage decision. From this usage decision, if you select it, I can give the star here. If you give the star, okay, leave it the star also not the me. Okay, now see how many usage decision using for this actually. So many usage decisions we had available. Okay, correct now. For one which is a using now, one we have a goods receipt for this. We are using for codes. See, we have a this much of using for that case. One is accepted, one is automatic stock posting, one is other batch, one is material, other material. This is will be also define that customer what they basis using, what requirement they will be used and they will be provide this usage decision. See, this is the one. It is come to usage decision at the place. Here it is coming. Now I can drop down. I can select it here. See, immediately will become here. Some required characteristics is still open. Do you want to force inspections completed? Because of I explained. Here some characteristics is a color. The color still I am not giving the results. Still I am not giving the results. If you don't want it to the results to be entered, you can want it to force, then you can go for that. I wanted to do that color in the specifications, then in the results recording, then this message will be not come. Now I need to go for again back. I'm not saving this. I'm not saving this. How to ignore that message? I can show you in that. Okay, now I can enter that results here. I can add for any. Is a, okay, I can add for this. Yellow in this below. Okay, yellow item. Okay, I can give it a yellow. I'm giving. Okay, understand the purpose. Now I'm accepted. Now the status is a 5. If status is a not a 5, it is status is not a 5, again it will be show that actually. Suppose I can go for inside. I can keep it this, see, again I put it, I am entering the results, but the status is a 2, I am saving it. See, let me go for inside. Again it will be asking or not, we can see. Go for usage decision. I can go for UD code. Monica, please understanding what I am saying that. Okay. Now again see, again it will be asking for that. Still it is a not a completed. Still it's a open for that one actually. Now again I can go back. I can do that characteristics. Again I can do the characteristics is a status is a 5. I can go for this status is a 5. Here one button is that lock symbol. Okay, this is a close symbol. You can go and close it for now. It will become automatically the 5 status. That is a characteristics is a completed now. Now immediately go for usage decision. That message will be not a come. Okay, now you can go here. You can create it here. Now see immediately that message will be not come. It will become this codes. This is a codes they are defining for that. Now I am giving for this accepted unrestricted stock. If I am accept and unrestricted stock, stock will be directly go for unrestricted area. If you manually, you need to be enter manually, then you can give it for this. Okay. Now I'm entering for this accepted stock. Okay. Now I'm accepted for this. Now here one button is a stock posting. Inspection lot stock. You can click on it. Now see how much stock we have produced. 100 pieces we have produced. What is the sampling size? 100 sample size will be calculated here. You can observe it here. Based on the sampling procedure we are giving, 100 sample size will be calculated the lot. How much stock we have? 100. Now this 100 where you want it to be required. You want it to be required unrestricted area, or you want it to be scrap, you want it to be blocked, you want it to be written to posting, somewhere you can make it for that. Accordingly, you can make it. Now I may accepted this 100 pieces. This 100 pieces I'm accepted. I'm doing the posting to this inspection lot. Now, if you accepted this 100 pieces, and this tick means it is a usable, it is a good the product. Okay. Now I'm giving for this 100 pieces. It is a accepted. This storage location 20. Okay. Now I'm saving it. See now immediately you say decision for lot is a saved. This inspection lot is a saved. Now I can copy this one. I can paste it here. Okay. Now see, you can observe it again. I can go for this. Now it is a INSP is there. If I refresh it, let you can observe it. What is the status is come. It is gone because of I'm selected for. Okay, I can go back. I can go back. I'm selected only inspection lot without usage decision. Now already usage decision is completed. No, you can select it this one. It will be display for that one. See immediately it will be display for that lot. What is the status? Status is a UD. UD is a usage decision. Stock posting is a completed. I can go for inside. I can show you that status again. Now see earlier only some we have a status available. Now we have a so many available. See earlier it is a available for this till now for this results confirming under. Now see STIC is a short term inspection is completed and ICISO is a all inspection is completed and SPRQ is a stock posting is required and SPCO is a stock posting is completed and STP is a statistical updated is further. See, this is what actually status is updated accordingly. Now stock posting is completed. Now we need to check that we are accepted the stock, we are accepted the stock where it is went. It will be display in the stock in this inspection lot. Then the stock it will be go to that unrestricted area. This I can show you. If you rejected this, if you reject the stock will be go to block area. Now I am accepted. The stock where it is went, I can check in the MMBE. Let's see. This 100 pieces, it will be moved from here. It will be moved from here. This materials, they will use this 100 stock is 100 pieces. Let me refresh it. See, now quality is clear. 100 pieces move to this unrestricted area. The quality steps is clear. There is no issue for this 100 pieces from the quality side. We are moved to this understick area. Then warehouse department will be take care of further responsibility the process. This is a process is still in the 01 inspection type. So still you are not understanding where you have getting for this inspection lot, why we need to create an inspection lot, what is the purpose we need to create an inspection lot. You have any doubt on this case? Hmm? See, this is a way in the real time also we need to be created the process. I just simply to explain, first we need to be create a quality management view for that material, and which inspection type we need to be required, we need to be active, and what are the master data we need to be set up accordingly. This is the first step. This is the first step we need to be take care of that. Okay, the second step is like a MM people will be created. The MM people will be take care of that. Purchase order will be created. Okay, after purchase order will be created, immediately they will be do the goods receipt. This is a second. The third step will be take care of the MMT. Then immediately inspection lot will be came into quality. That quality department will be take care of that results recording. The results recording will be take care of that, and usage decision will be take care of that. Usage decision is nothing but a stock is a either you want it to be required on district area or block area. That you need to be defined that. That is the purpose we need to create a goods receipt inspection for purchase order, or we can cover incoming inspection for the purchase order. This is a process flow, how it will be works in the 01 inspections process. Still you have any doubts for this process? Still you have any doubt on this process?
No, Pati.
Okay. Others, is it clear or we have doubts? So that master data will be understanding, then easily to understanding the process, business process. That is what I'm telling the starting master data is a very important. You can understanding the master data. That is what I'm taking the master data 1 week. Because of the master data, I explain the slowly. So all master data it depends that inspections process. That is what actually today I created one inspections process in 01. That is a stock relevant the process. Okay. Tomorrow I will be cover for this again, this without the purchase order, how to create the purchase order, the inspection lab and source inspection I created, and also, the procurement control key. If we active the procurement control key in this material master, what is the problem? Why we need to stop the process? Okay. We have already time is 9:54. We will not cover in this 5 minutes to 6 minutes. Okay. Then tomorrow I can show you for this quality info record remaining the inspections process. Just to understanding the process, how we can create a inspection process for the 01 to integrate it with the material master and quality management. This is a MN and QM integration. Okay, MM and QM. This is the one very important. In the real time, they will be use this process only, which I explained for this flow chart. The flow chart only they are following. Okay, I'm taking the real time. I prepare for this and I'm explaining you. So you can go through this document, and also the record session I have created. You can go through it. Then you can create a 01 inspection lot. How to be created. Okay. Then we'll be understanding the business process. The 01 inspection process. In the real time also you need to be explaining this. Okay. Any questions? Any doubts?